Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ally Bank, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Ally Bank's official website. Once the page loads, look for the login button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your user ID and password. If you already have an Ally Bank account, enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, type your password into the password field. Double-check that both entries are accurate. If you need help remembering your login details, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link. Follow the prompts to retrieve or reset your information. Once you have entered your user ID and password, click the Sign In button. If your details are correct, you will be logged into your Ally Bank account. If you encounter any issues, verify your internet connection and try again. If the problem persists, consider contacting Ally Bank's customer support for assistance. After logging in, make sure to log out when you're finished, especially on public devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.